Did you know Job prayed for months during his trials, but only one prayer actually ended his suffering? Most people miss this hidden detail in Job 42 verse 10. While Job's earlier prayers focused on his pain and asking God why this was happening, they actually prolonged his season of testing. But his final prayer was completely different. Instead of praying about his problems, Job prayed for his friends who had hurt him. The Bible says the moment Job prayed for others, God immediately restored everything he had lost and gave him double. This reveals a powerful prayer principle. When we're stuck in difficult seasons, our prayers often focus inward on our pain, but breakthrough prayers shift outward to bless others, even those who wronged us. Job's prayer pattern shows us that maintenance prayers keep us where we are, while breakthrough prayers move us forward. If your prayers feel stuck on repeat, try Job's approach. Start each day praying blessings over someone who needs breakthrough, especially those who've hurt you. Watch how God responds when your prayers shift from self-focused to others-focused.